Melbourne has overtaken Sydney as Australia's most populous city after a boundary change that incorporated surrounding areas into its municipality. The change added over 200,000 people to Melbourne's population, bringing it to an estimated 5.22 million people, while Sydney's population remained at around 5.02 million. This marks the first time Melbourne has been Australia's biggest city since the late 1800s gold rush era. The shift is expected to have economic implications, with Melbourne's growth rate outpacing Sydney's in recent years, and the two cities competing for investment and talent.